To be successful in music, it's not so easy because now like we have like millions of people that they upload songs every day, tracks everywhere. So it's hard to become like well known because you need to be very like unique. That it's something that is not bad, but it's hard to find it. What's gonna be the next trend? What's gonna be the new thing? So the my advice it's very simple. You have to be yourself because we are unique, but we have to search what is what's the thing that make us feel good. And I'm 100% that out there are many people like you and they want to feel the same way. When I don't have the result that I want, that means that I have to work more. I have to be patient, and maybe it's not the right time for that. So sometimes you have to be cool and to give time even to yourself. So because music and it's magic. It's not something like it's not a product like you can see it, you can feel it, you can listen it, but it's about feelings, and timing is very important. Yes, I have a whiteboard in my house that I write my ideas or my, let's say, like the goals that I want, but yearly, not every day, because every day it's something like when I tried to do it every day, uh, I was lazy, trying not to do it. So every day that I was in the morning, actually, when you see all the things that you want to do, you have to do, you're like you feel tired in 1 minute, and you won't do it. So I think you have to focus in one or two things yearly, and to do everything every day, every week to achieve that.